In this tutorial we will learn how to create text scale animation in After Effects. First, create a new composition and give name to it. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Then set frame rate to 30. And duration to 2 seconds and click OK button. Then select Type tool from toolbar, then click and type something. Go to toolbar again and select Selection tool. You can adjust the text by going to the character window, open the Align tab and align text horizontally and vertically so is at the center of the composition. Drag the text layer to end point. Make sure the indicator is at the start point. Then open the settings of the text layer, click the Animate button and select Scale, set Scale to 0%. Open Range Selector 1 and make sure the indicator is at the start point, then create a keyframe for offset and set it to -100%. Then move indicator few seconds forward and set offset to +100%. Expand advanced settings, set shape to ramp up and set ease high to 50% and ease low to 100%. Move the indicator is at the start point. Now preview it by pressing spacebar. Now go to File and save the file to directory and file will be saved. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in MOV format. Or download Vocoder plugin for MP4 format. I will use Vocoder. If you add any audio in your work, set audio output to on and click OK button. Now on output to select file name and give name to your file if you want. Finally click render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. Rendering it's complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.